Okay, so the opportunity of today is a business opportunity instead of a work at home opportunity. This is an OnlyFans business opportunity. And we're going to credit this information from an article um, off of outofthe925.com. And this article is written by David Watterson. Okay, some of the information. Um, First of all, the URL will be pasted in our description. The job that he is talking about is an OnlyFans creator or performer. In this particular article, it says the pay for an average creator is about $150 per month. I'm sure this is an estimate. The pay for an creator performer, I think this is above average. Let's put in above average creator is from $5,000 to $100,000 per month. So if you want to find out more information about this article on work at home, I'm sorry, on this business opportunity with OnlyFans, you can follow us on our YouTube channel at Fire Red Work at Home Jobs. Now, let's get into it. So, the link, of course, I said is posted in the description. It's on the out of the 925.com link. And this article was written by David Watterson, July 25th, 2022. And this article is entitled How to Make Money on OnlyFans Without Showing Your Face. So, let's start off looking at this article. It says even though articles have gained OnlyFans has gained a reputation of hosting rather raunchy content, it wasn't originally intended for that purpose. The platform was created for content creators to share exclusive content like behind the scenes footage and photos from their lives without having to worry about other social media platforms censoring their posts. So I guess it was created to be something like a Patreon. So in this article, we're going to cover exactly that with 10 proven ways on how to start an OnlyFans and how to make money on OnlyFans without showing your face. Okay, so number one, let's start off slow. Use a stage name. Part of staying anonymous means no one knows anything about you. Choosing a stage name, a fake name, to go by on the app. This is popular, especially in the music industry, for singers who want to be known by a different name, like Lady Gaga. Be sure your stage name does not include any nicknames that people call you in person. Number two, remember your scars and tattoos. Do you have a cute birthmark on your neck or a tattoo that says love on your wrist? Any type of marking will be a people will be a way that people can identify you. Be mindful if you have burn marks, scars, tattoos, and birthmarks. Try to hide them. Or you can use photo editing apps to get rid of blemishes, blending, cropping, and as a deleting tool. Number three, don't show your face. It may sound a bit obvious to say don't show your face, but it's a point that needs to be made. On OnlyFans, it's likely that when you build a following, people will pressure you to show your face. Okay, choose a niche. The riches are in the niches is a common saying online. A niche, depending on where you're from, niche, is basically a category you post about. If you don't show your face in your content, then what can your fans expect from you? Niches on OnlyFans can vary from themes of how you dress to specific body parts. Use social media and create new accounts. Social media is a powerhouse in any marketing strategy today. To get your OnlyFans page faster, Try using other social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and even forums such as Reddit for promotions. Many niches on OnlyFans have pre-existing forums on Reddit where you are allowed to promote your page, so you might start here. So I didn't know that. You can promote your pages on Reddit. That's interesting. Okay, use the geo-blocking feature. OnlyFans has a geo-blocking feature that you can utilize to block anyone from a specific area from seeing your content, especially the area where you live. Here, how you can block specific areas. Go to the settings page, tap on security, scroll down until you see geo-blocking, choose the countries you want to exclude, and tap save changes. You can also block specific countries from seeing your profile, but you can also block specific users if you know their IP address. People can get around this by using a VPN. Provide a subscription service. While you can monetize your OnlyFans through a number of different methods, like charging for messages, the most lucrative way to make money from OnlyFans without showing your face is to offer a subscription to your content. You can use OnlyFans as a monthly annual subscription service to provide valuable content to your loyal fans. Many celebrities, even are starting to use this function for behind the scenes or exclusive content that cannot be found elsewhere. Some examples of celebrities who have made subscriptions include the following, as this article states: use props, mask, and camera angles. If you're wanting to include full body photos but wanting to leave your face out, posing and props are your two best friends. With posing, you can face the camera and turn your face away, have your back to the camera, or even use your hair to cover your face. Get creative. Number 9, use a voice changer to hide your voice. If you send voice messages, talking videos, or other audio files, consider masking your voice using a voice changer. This could help people that recognize your voice from thinking it's you and starting to ask some less than comfortable questions. Number 10, don't post outdoor photos. To keep not only your identity but your location anonymous, it's important that you don't post any outdoor photos. If you do, you should be very mindful of what is around you. So, the final thoughts here on how to make money on OnlyFans without showing your face. So, can you make money on OnlyFans without showing your face? The answer is yes. You can definitely avoid showing your face on OnlyFans and still make money. It might be a little bit more difficult to attain the income that people who post more risque content do, but it is possible. So, here's some frequently asked questions. Do you have to show your face on OnlyFans? No, you do not have to show your face on OnlyFans. The top creators on OnlyFans do tend to show their face as well as their body parts, but it is possible to earn over $120,000 per year on OnlyFans without needing to show your face. That's interesting. How do I stay anonymous on OnlyFans? Well, we've gone over some of the tactics that teach you how to stay anonymous on OnlyFans. Can you be successful on OnlyFans with just pictures? You can make money on OnlyFans with just pictures. This can be in the form of a content subscription, or people can pay to view one photo at a time. Hey, how can I make money on OnlyFans without a following? If you haven't gotten a following to leverage to earn money on OnlyFans, you can find paying subscribers for your OnlyFans by being active in subreddits and Facebook groups revolving around your specific niche and the type of content you make on your account. How much money can you make on OnlyFans? The amount of income on OnlyFans can vary on your niche. Often you post the prices you set, your following, and more. According to Influencer Made, the average OnlyFans creator brings home roughly $150 a month. Wonder what's considered average. This is after OnlyFans takes 20% of the income generated from the platform. So you need to be aware that you'll be paying OnlyFans 20%. The top performers on the app can earn anything from $5,000 to $100,000 per month. This is quite a big range compared to the average creator. Do I need a separate OnlyFans bank account? You do not need a separate bank account to use OnlyFans unless you share a bank account with another person that you don't want to find out that you are active on OnlyFans. How does OnlyFans show up on a bank statement? OnlyFans payments do show on your bank statement and cannot be hidden or changed to a hidden vendor. Transactions that are made through the OnlyFans platform are marked as OF or OnlyFans, and you cannot change this. How does OnlyFans work? OnlyFans is a subscription-based platform where creators can sell and or purchase original content of all types. To access content from creators, users must pay a monthly subscription fee that ranges anywhere between $4.99 and $49.99. OnlyFans claims a 20% fee and creators receive the uh, rest while the users can then access the content that has been made available. So this is the information on creating an OnlyFans without showing your face. So I hope this information has been helpful, and I hope you take the time to subscribe. Thank you very much.